Today we're going to talk a little bit about the MSC For Me app and how it works on the cruise ship.
All of that and more after this.
Hello, fellow travelers.
Hello.
It's Neil here.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.
Okay, you can see this is the app. It's pretty straightforward. It has a chat function, which they have just changed. Apparently before you couldn't contact children on the app, which was a real problem for parents trying to keep track of their kids. So they have changed that. There were a lot of changes going on right now while we were using the app, which made it a challenge actually. But I think it's going to be for the better. You can see that you can check the weather. See? And always remember to press close, not the back button, or it takes you completely out of the app. You can look at your daily activities. And these are all the things that are going on today here on the MSC Seashore. But the app works pretty much the same on all of the MSC ships. You can also check, if you press this button, you have your weather, your itinerary, and then of course you know what the itinerary is. It tells you where you're going and where, and so on and so forth. Your internet packages, which you can purchase, your theater shows, talks about those, and this is what's going on today. Neil and I will be attending the Magic Show here pretty soon. We are also going to That's Amore tonight, which is the Italian show, which we always enjoy. There's your personal agenda. And tonight you can see our group. We'll be going to specialty dining at the Butcher's Cut and then attending the show. I've actually reserved it. See? There's things to do. And then it'll tell you about me apparently. Your billings here as well. And I always recommend make sure you're checking that billing every single day, because if there's a problem, you want to catch that right away. You don't want to wait till the end of the ship and be one of those people standing in the line the day of disembarkation and you're standing at customer service trying to sort out why you were charged $6 for a drink you didn't order. I'll be honest with you, I'd just pay the $6 and get off the ship. But I understand. Okay, there's the MSC magazine. And like I said, you can just go right through here. Tells you everything that's going on. And it's all in one place. And then see, I press the back button and you get out of it. And you can go right back in.
So how do you get the MSC For Me app?
What you need to do is you just need to go to the Play Store or the Apple Store and just download it. And then you're going to put in your booking number and some basic information. You can do your pre-boarding information on the app as well. You can put in your everything you need to do to get your tickets and things. Although I'll be honest with you, I did mine on the computer. I find it easier. But everybody's different. And it does give you, like I said, there's a lot of options. It tells you what you need to know. You can go to the home.
So how do you get to plan an activity in your own planner? How do you do that?
Okay, when you are like daily activities. Okay. And you're looking at this and you go, oh, this looks nice, that looks nice. Now some of these things will require a reservation or a suggested reservation, and if it does, you can just click on it and make that reservation. You can also do that with like your specialty dining. I think it's under things to do. Specialty dining, or do restaurants. Now there's complimentary restaurants, and say you want to do a specialty restaurant. Okay, it gives you the hours of the specialty restaurants. And you're like, ooh, that looks nice. And then you can book it. See? And if I wanted to book it, I could check the availability. And it's telling me I couldn't book that till 5:45.
All right.
Now, normally I was having trouble even finding that one. But then they have the teppanyaki, We did eat at the seafood restaurant. You're really going to need to check out that vlog. That was a great restaurant.
It sure was, I agree.
So I hope this is helpful to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like, what information you can get, and what's available in the MSC for Me app. But I do highly recommend that you download it before you get on board, because the information is on here is very valuable and it's all right at your fingertips. I know a lot of the different cruise lines are going to these types of apps, and I find them very useful. Now, they're not all created equally. Now, the chat function in the MSC for Me app, you do not have to have the internet package in order to use it, which is great. And it's also free. I know on some of the other cruise lines, they charge, from what I've seen, between $5 and $10 per person to use the chat app. On MSC, it's included, which I think is great. Like I said, I hope you find the information useful.
If you want to see more of our vlogs about MSC cruises, please do check out this playlist right here. We'll see you on our next vlog.